folks, and welcome back to 8th grade Ritchie Math. We've got two equations here. We've got y equals negative 3/5 x plus 4. I'm going to graph that. And then we have y equals 4/5 x minus 3. And the idea is that after we graph these two equations, they may very well cross one another somewhere on this graph. And when they do cross one another, we're going to be very interested in where it is that they cross. So let's go ahead and begin by graphing 3 over 5x plus 4. The plus 4 tells us simply to go to positive 4 on the y-axis. Now the 3 over 5 we use as rise over run. Our 3 is going to be our rise, and our run is going to be 5. However, we've got a negative out front here. So let's take the whole thing and come over here and give the negative to the 3, and we're going to make the 5 positive. What that says is that I'm going to rise negative 3, which means drop down 3 units to the positive 1. I'm now going to run 5, positive 5. That says go 5 units to the right. And we will draw another point there. At this point, I am going to connect those two dots, and we will use a red line. I'm going to extend both lines. And that looks pretty good. Okay, so now that's the first equation. The second equation, y equals 4 over 5x minus 3. Okay, I'm going to begin by going to the negative 3. And we'll go back to our black. Okay, negative 3 right here on the y-axis. Now I have got this 4 over 5 right here. I'll blow that up a little bigger. First I'm going to use the rise. The saying goes you have to rise before you run. Okay, so a rise of 4 tells me to go up 4 units. From negative 3 up 4 units brings me back to positive 1 again. Okay, and now we've got a run of positive 5. So from here, I'm going to run 5 units again. Okay, now, without reading too much into this just yet, I am going to go ahead and graph the second line like so. And actually, we don't have to extend this one. Okay, we can see that it has a solution, and that solution is located right here. And now what we are very interested in determining is what is the ordered pair of the solution. Okay, and hopefully you can see that on the x-axis, it is located at x equals 5, and on the y, that y equals 1. And that is our solution to this system of equations. Thanks for tuning in.